Hey, Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Today I want to do part 1 of my OTB dry sink. And what it is this is my reservoir for water that I want to use. I do have my high sprayer, my pump sprayer that I'm also going to use for spraying water. But this is for just regular standing water. So I can have it and it'll hang over my sink, so that if I need regular water, like to wet a rag or to fill a little bowl or something, or to fill this up to wash my hands or to wash parts submerged in water, then I'll turn to this. And it's basically 2 containers. One of them is these short, small little plastic containers that I got from the grocery store. They used to have fruit in them. It has a screw-on lid that goes on here. And I'll have like 6 of these. And the reason I went with these is because the closest sink to my shop in the house is in the bathroom. I have a 3/4 bath that's just inside the back door. And these will fit in that sink, so I can fill these up right there in that bathroom sink. Otherwise, I'd have to go all the way into the kitchen sink or maybe even into the main bathroom. So these will work out perfect for that. I'll make a little tray to have 6 of these, and these will all be filled, and then as they get empty, then I'll just take the whole thing in and fill them all up at one time, going in and out. So I won't have to take too many trips in. But as far as the reservoir itself, it's made from these 2 containers. This valve, I was at a big box store and I bought this plastic reservoir, and that valve was on here, and this was designed like if you go camping or something, you can carry drinking water with you in this thing. And I cut the valve off of it, drilled a hole and mounted it here, sealing it with silicone. And this works pretty good. So to turn it on and use it, I just turn the valve this direction and I get a really good flow of water. The water always maintains this level here for as long as I have water in the upper container. So the water pressure is consistent. And as you can see, it gurgles and bubbles just like a regular water cooler would. It works in the same principle. So basically you have your lower reservoir and you have your upper replaceable water supply. And when it gets empty, I just take it off, unscrew the lid, and put a new bottle on here and screw this lid back on it. This lid has a small hole drilled in. This is 1/2-inch PVC so that this sticks down and this sets down into, and this is what determines the water level in here as to how long this pipe is here. And so when I go to change it out, and when I'm ready to put it back on, I just turn it upside down, drop it down in the hole, and it's ready to go. So when this empties, I just replace this part, and I've always got water ready to go at all times. So it'll be easy to take apart and clean it if I need to, which I don't anticipate really having to do that much. It's pretty much got a closed-in lid, so sawdust or anything like that won't get into the water at the same time. So this is going to stay pretty clean, I suspect. No, I'm not going to drink this water. This is really just for cleaning and for mixing in. If I need water to mix it with something or things like that, this will be my gravity-fed source for water. As you know, I've also got a bottle that I'm turning into a jet spray so that if I want to wash parts under pressure spray, I'll be able to use that too. And we'll get into that one a little later on. But I wanted to show you my reservoir. Now that I got it done, part 1. Got this all done. I'm ready to make my tabletop that goes in here and my bottom shelf, which I'll make out of slats from my cedar wood. I got the decking, so that means that my slats are going to be 1.25 inches thick. And everything will be slats with a 1/2-inch gap between, so water won't pool up on anything. So that's where I'm at right now. I'm real happy with it. I'm excited. I think this thing's going to work pretty well. This works perfectly. So if you have any suggestions or any ideas on how to make it better, or if you made something like this, I'd love to hear how you made yours. So anyway, hopefully you learned something here today about this. If you have any questions about it, do leave comments below. If you like this video, please say so. If you learned something, you might want to hit that like button. It lets me know I'm on the right track. Most importantly though, please come back again, because as you can see, we're nowhere near done. Thanks, and we'll see you again very soon.